Okay, this is a tangle called Toodles. We begin our tangling with gratitude. We breathe in the things we're grateful for. We exhale all the things that don't serve us, that we don't need in this moment while we take out time for us. Then we bring out these two little tangles called fescue. They're just a line of any shape. And then you put a little kind of Q-tip end on the top of it, similar to the tangle flux. Now, many of you say, what are all these words she's talking about? You'll have to watch my past videos to understand many of the names of the tangles, but this really isn't the focus of what I do. The focus is to just follow what I'm doing, breathe in the things that make you happy, and the point is to let the worries of the world fall away and just focus on this art you're creating, and that you're breathing and taking time out for you. The name of the tangle is not important. This is about the journey to the end of the tangle and what you're finding out about you on the way there. So I'm not going by piece to dissect this tangle. You can all follow along. For some of you, if you're not seeing all of this tangle, make sure you're not watching a reel or a story, and go to my main profile to be sure you're watching the whole thing. Check out my profile, and underneath my picture and my P.O. box, you'll see all the links to all the products I like, Amazon affiliate, Etsy, everything. On my YouTube channel, I currently have a class that used to cost money, but I put it up for free. I think it's about 2 hours long, and you'll find that on YouTube, and you can do it absolutely free. I have to do it. Toodles.